Hello, everyone, and welcome to our English Learning Podcast, where daily conversation becomes simple, friendly, and achievable for everyone listening.
Hi, dear learners. I am John, and today we will help you practice daily English conversation with confidence and real-life examples.
John, before we begin teaching, I want to ask our listeners something very honest and personal today.
Yes, Emma. Many learners feel nervous, shy, and even afraid before speaking English in daily situations.
If you are listening right now and feel scared to speak English, please know you are not alone at all.
I remember feeling embarrassed when my words came slowly and people waited for me to finish speaking.
Exactly, John. Many learners understand English well, but their mouth feels frozen during real conversations.
Daily English conversation is the bridge between understanding English and actually speaking English confidently.
Today, we will practice English through daily life situations that you already experience every single day.
We will start with transportation, because learners often panic when speaking English while traveling.
Yes, John. Transportation English feels stressful because learners fear asking questions in public places.
But the truth is, daily transportation English uses simple words and short, clear sentences.
Let us imagine we are standing together at a bus stop in a busy city.
Excuse me, could you please tell me if this bus goes to the city center?
Yes, this bus goes directly to the city center and arrives there in about 15 minutes.
Thank you very much. I am still learning English and sometimes feel nervous asking questions.
That is completely okay, because you spoke clearly and communicated your message successfully.
Learners, please notice that confidence comes from trying, not from speaking perfect English.
Now, let us imagine transportation English at a slightly higher level for daily practice.
Hello, could you please take me to the main train station using the fastest route possible?
Of course. I will take the fastest route and let you know if traffic causes any delay.
Daily conversation becomes easier when you repeat similar sentences again and again.
Now, John, let us move to shopping English, which many learners find very stressful.
Yes, Emma. Learners often feel shy when asking prices or requesting help in stores.
But shopping English is very predictable and friendly once you practice it daily.
Good morning. How much does this jacket cost? And do you have another color available?
This jacket costs $30, and we also have it in black and dark blue.
Thank you very much. Could I please try the dark blue one before buying it?
Yes, the fitting room is right over there, and please take your time.
Learners often stay silent instead of asking, which makes shopping more difficult.
Speaking simple English helps you feel independent and confident in daily life.
Now let us talk about workplace English, which causes fear for many learners.
Yes, John. Learners worry about meetings, small talk, and explaining their job responsibilities.
But workplace English starts with very simple daily conversations.
Good morning, John. How is your work going today so far?
Good morning, Emma. My work is going well, but I have many emails to answer.
That sounds busy, but you are communicating clearly and naturally.
Now let us practice talking about jobs in a more detailed way.
John, what do you usually do during a normal workday at your job?
I talk to customers, prepare reports, attend meetings, and help my team solve problems.
That explanation is clear, natural, and very useful for English learners.
Now let us move to family conversations, which feel emotional for many learners.
Yes, John. Learners often worry about grammar when talking about family relationships.
But family English is warm, personal, and easy to practice daily.
John, do you have a big family, or do you live with only a few people?
I have a medium-sized family, and I live with my parents and younger sister.
That is nice. Do you usually spend time together during weekends?
Yes, we cook meals together, talk about our week, and sometimes watch movies.
Talking about family helps learners express feelings, not just vocabulary.
Daily conversation is not about speed, but about comfort and clarity.
Many learners ask how much English they should speak every day.
Even 10 minutes of daily speaking practice can improve fluency over time.
Making mistakes is part of learning, and mistakes help your brain grow.
Please remember that silence never improves English, but speaking always does.
English becomes natural when you use it in daily life situations.
You do not need confidence to start speaking, because speaking builds confidence.
Thank you for spending time practicing daily English conversation with us today.
Keep speaking, keep practicing, and believe that your English will improve every day.